Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and viewers. In this video I am here with the very amazing script of a mining website. So basically this is a Hyip investment mining website. It has a very amazing look and completely new in market, and its look is very amazing. So viewers, if you want to purchase this website or if you want us to build the complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and we will build this website for you at a very reasonable price. And we also build the apps of the website, so we will give you the app of this website as well. So first of all, you can look at its amazing homepage or login page is here. You can enter your details to log in. Here is a sign up page. By filling these details, user can sign up. Now we currently already have an account, so I'll just quickly log into my account. Here will enter my password. After entering details, when I click on, so now you can see that after entering details we have successfully logged into our account. Here you can see my total balance, referral ID, and you can look at its amazing look, how amazing its look is. You can see total deposits, withdrawal, profit, balance. You can see over here. Here you can see different options out there. Here is a recharge option. User can recharge using different gateways, and you can make gateways from admin panel. This website is completely manageable from admin panel. It is completely in a mobile app view and it has a very amazing look. So you can manage this website completely from admin panel. You can create gateways from admin panel. You can change details. Whatever you want to do, you can do that. From here, we can deposit money on the website. Just enter details, click on deposit, and your request will be sent. So you can see your deposit is pending, and when admin will approve it, your deposit will be approved. Here's cash out, like you can withdraw your money using any of the gateway, same like that. So here you can enter your withdraw pin and you can withdraw your money into your bank account or your crypto account. So it's very simple and easy to use. Here's a record option, so you can view all your mining record, deposit, withdrawal record. Everything will be shown you over here in this section. So you can see all the details of record, recharge, cash out will be shown you over here. Here's a team section, so you can see your link and you can see all the people you referred. They all will be shown here. You can see all your commission, team size, recharge, level 1, level 2, everything will be shown over here. Here is a commission option, so you can see all your commissions, etc. in this section. Here is running, so you can see all your running plans. Currently I have invested in 2 plans, so you can see they are currently running over here. So here you can now user can download the app of your website. So here user can download the app. Similarly, here's a deposit option. Here you can see all your earning section, so you can see all your plan earning live and timing over here. So after 24 hours or whatever plan you have created, according to which your profit will be added to your account. Here you can see the mining plans. So these are the different mining plans. So if you want to subscribe to any plan, you can just click on buy now and you can easily invest in this plan. So here this is how you can buy and invest in plans. Here you can update your wallet details, passwords, account, everything. You can update them from here, and here you can view the notifications, etc. in this section. So here is your profile settings. You can do your profile settings from this section. Here is the settings. You can update your wallet, passwords, and account passwords, etc. from this section. And here is a team option. As I told you, you can see your team over here in this section. So viewers, this was all about the user panel of this website. Now in order to log into admin panel, first of all I'll just log out from my user panel. So to go to admin panel, here we'll go to admin panel. So as it was already logged in, so here I'll just log out, and now here this is the admin login page. So here we have to enter our username and password in order to log in. So here I'll enter my username and password. Now when I click on login, it will log me in. So this is amazing admin panel of this website. First of all, you can see all the users, plan active user, total deposits, pending deposit, deposit charges, everything will be shown you over here in this section. Here you can see the latest notification or deposit, withdrawal, and etc. will be shown you over here. Here you can change the notice board text from here on website. Here are the app download settings, so you can upload the app of website here, and you can change the logo of website. You can change the name and different app reviews, etc. You can change these things from here. So everything is manageable from this section. Here you can set the referral commission up to multiple levels on plan purchase or mining bonus. So you can set levels of commission from this section. And here is subscription plans. So currently you can see there are some 3 to 4 plans. Now if you want to create a new plan, you can easily create a new plan by filling these simple details. So you can disable the existing plans or edit them as well. So it completely depends on you. You can manage all the users on the website, so it will show you all the users here. And you can manage all the user. If you want to manage them, click on details. You can add balances to user account, you can subtract balance from users account. Here is a notice board settings, and you can basically manage the complete user details from this section. Here are the payment gateways. So here you can see there are 3 gateways on the website. If you want to disable them, you can disable them and create your own gateway from here. So it's very simple and easy to create a new gateway on the website. It's completely simple and manageable thing. Here when user will request a deposit, the request will come here, and from here you can approve deposits or reject the deposits. So here we can approve deposits or reject deposits. You can see all approved deposits, successful, rejected, all deposits. So everything will be shown you over here. This is all the deposit details, so you can view them. Same like deposit, here you can create a withdrawal methods. So from here you can create withdrawal method. Any withdrawal method you want to create, click on add new, and you can create that method from this section. Similarly, pending deposit withdrawal request will come here, and you can approve them or reject them. Like deposit, here are general settings. You can change the name of website. Holiday setting, like you can turn on off interest on holiday, and you can change the currency of website. You can use it in any of your local currency. So here you can change the currency. From logo and favicon, you can change the logo of website, and you can insert your own logo. So viewers, this is the very amazing site. You can see it is installed on my subdomain over here. Now if you want to purchase this website from us, or if you need any kind of investment website or mining website, you can just contact us and we will build what you want. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also share this video with your other friends who need this kind of websites.